This is my custom BMX bike check. Start up top with the Colt Quattro bars, 9-inch rise, and I cut them down to I think 27.5, I believe. And then on them we have the E-Claw Zap grips. Then we have an E-Claw slidery stem down to the Colt investment cast forks, and I think they're 28mm offset. And we have the Colt, it's just like a complete wheel that came on a complete bike. You know, a front wheel is just a front wheel, so if you keep it trued up, it should stay pretty strong. But then on that wheel we have an E-Claw Mirage 2.25. Then putting it all together, we have a Colt Chase dehart frame, 21-inch top tube. Really good frame for the money. And then we have Chase Hawk cranks, 170mm with DAC pedals. Colt. And we have the Colt Member V2 sprocket with the Colt half link on there. Then we have an Odyssey Antigram cassette hub on a hazard light rim. Trying to get the, there you go. There's the Odyssey logo on there. And yeah, I'll let you hear that sound of the hub. It sounds pretty decent. And then the Colt Slim Seat Pivotal. Yeah. So that's my steed.